as you can see, all the mess. A little bit busy. It's Christmas. Just wanted to make a quick video and wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I've got my iridescence going on up here, so yes, I'm looking at my iridescence because I can't help it because this is so cute. Yes, whatever you celebrate or not celebrate, whatever it is you do, I hope you have a fabulous day. Get some rest. I'm going to, well, yeah, I'm going to have lunch with my dad and go and eat some of Bree's food and then go home and have a nap with the cats, I think. That'll be my Christmas day, so, you know, I mean, if that's not the most perfect Christmas day, I don't know what is. So I have no idea what I'm rambling on about, because this was just like, oh, I better make a quick video so you know that I'm wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. I also want to say thank you for everyone who has stuck with me through the year. I know, yep, had someone walk past the shop, so I had to stop for a minute. I know that I am not as reliable with uploads as I should be, and that's probably never going to change because, you know, I have bipolar. I like to think I'm going to be organised, and then I am organised for, you know, a good long while, and then I'm not, so. But for those of you who have stuck with me, thank you. For the newcomers, thank you. A super shout out to my patrons. You guys have no idea how much you are changing things for me. That, you know, $5 a month from anyone shows that what I do is valuable to someone, you know, and then that means the world to me. Things are changing in my life. I'm actually considering giving a lot of this away, more for my mental health than anything else. I will see. I mean, I tend to make these big decisions around Christmas time because it's such an emotional time, and then don't go through with these big emotional decisions that I've made. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I am starting a second channel though. It's not soap related at all. It's more sort of, you guys all know that I have a lot of opinions. Anyone who's been around the channel long enough knows that. So yeah, so it's going to be more about, it'll be more me talking about things that I'm interested in, you know, like not necessarily politics and things like that, because they really don't interest me. But you know, things like you know, how everybody needs a label now, and you know, shit like that, stuff that just drives me mad. And I don't tend to have popular opinions when it comes to things like that, and I don't think I'm alone, but I think a lot of people are afraid to speak up. I also think that the feedback that I've gotten on this channel from you guys about talking about my mental health, I think I need to do more of that, because I think that the more people that have issues, specifically bipolar, who are afraid to tell people that they have bipolar, or don't understand things about their bipolar, I think that I could be helpful in just talking about my experiences and stuff. So yeah, and I've waffled on, and this was just supposed to be a quick Christmas message, and it wasn't. So I'm gonna stop. And yes, thank you. I'm just going to continue uploading soap videos as I always have been, hopefully on time, maybe not, for now, and we'll see how I go. I don't plan on stopping making soap, so as far as I know, this channel will just continue into the future. So yeah, so thank you. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and I hope 2020 treats you as well as you hope it does. So, all right, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all that other bullshit. You know what? Merry Christmas. Bye.